It's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful wintry Valentine's Day wreath. I was going through the clearance section at Michael's about a month ago in their winter and Christmas florals, and I saw these beautiful pink roses that were flocked so they look like they're covered in snow. So I grabbed them then because I was worried they would be gone by the time they went on a deeper clearance. So I grabbed them, and they are going to be part of our winter Valentine's Day wreath, and I'm so excited. You'll see I'm wearing glasses today. I'm getting LASIK tomorrow. Hopefully that goes well, but I apologize if there's any glare or anything on my glasses. I normally wear contacts, but hopefully next time I have good eyes. The materials you're going to need for this wreath are a 14-inch grapevine. You can use whatever size grapevine you want. This is just the standard size I use. These are the snow-covered roses. They're so pretty. They're like in this dusty pink. Love it. Like I said, those are from Michael's. And then I have this really pretty silvery greenery I love from Hobby Lobby. I have this glittery snow-covered evergreen that adds a lot of texture and winter interest. Since this is a winter Valentine's Day wreath, Valentine's Day is in the winter, so this will be a great way to have a winter wreath that's also great for Valentine's Day. And I think it'll look pretty in the spring too. We're also going to need our wire cutters. These are linked in the description. These are my favorite. And glue and a hot glue gun, also linked in the description. The first thing we're going to do is clean up our grapevine. This wreath is going to have an exposed grapevine, so it's even more important that we clean it up. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a greenery base. We're going to have greenery and then flowers on top of the greenery. So we're going to start with the evergreens. So I just glue the stem and then I slide it into the grapevine along the grain like this. And then I'll add one more on this side. There's a weird little knob in my grapevine, so I'm just working the greenery around it, and then I'm going to use some floral wire. And then I'm going to add a little bit more greenery to this side to make it even. I actually got this greenery 75% off on a Black Friday deal at Joann's. So that was exciting. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to add these. Now I'm going to fill in here a little bit with some more evergreens. I don't want it too thick because we need to have room for our flowers. It's really important to remember that we want this to be a nice round part. We don't want it to be big and fluffy here and then skinny in the middle. We want it to be pretty even, maybe a little skinnier in the middle, but we want to have it really even. So these parts are really important for that. It looks funny now, but it'll look a lot better when we're done. Now we're gonna get our roses cut apart. They're so pretty. And I will be using these leaves. I'm trying to figure out, because I want the biggest flowers in the middle, but they lay so nicely like this. We could do a bunch like that. That would be really pretty. I'm gonna take them apart so I have more control over where they go. All right, so the first one is gonna be, I want the biggest one to be in the middle. Let's see. So these are the biggest. So I'm just crossing the stems in the grapevine so that they're nice and close together. And then this one can go out a little bit more. Oh, they're so pretty. And now I'm going to add in the leaves. Sometimes you really have to get down under there to see where the leaves go. So pretty. I love it. Let me just... I'll add a little bit more of this greenery because I love that silvery leaf. It's so pretty. It's such a fun texture against the evergreens. We need it kind of in the middle here. And finally, I might add one more piece here to round it out. What do you think? So there you have it. Here is our final wreath, our winter Valentine's Day wreath. And it could also be for spring, whatever you want. Isn't it so pretty? I love the mix of spring and winter together with the flocked snow. And we all know it still snows in spring in a lot of places. So this is perfect for Valentine's Day and winter. I love it. Let me know what you think. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and hit the bell to be notified when I have a new video so you don't miss out. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.